Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add background music in CapCut PC. If you're new to CapCut PC and you don't know how to add background music to your videos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app. Now click on Create New Project. Now here, click on Import a new video that you want to edit. For now, I'll choose this video. Now here, drag it to the timeline to edit this video. Now, since the video has no audio, it'll be easier for us to add the background music. To add the background music, simply go to Audio here and click again to see different kind of option like vlog, travel, summer. Now choose one of the music that you want to add to your video. Once you find the video, click here to add it to your timeline. Now, resize the audio according to your video size, just like this. Now, if we play the video, it will look like this. And just like this, we can add background music in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.